Cinque Terre, a hidden paradise on Italy's Ligurian coast. This is a place where 5 enchanting villages meet the pristine beauty of nature, preserved through time. Our first stop is Monterosso al Mare, the largest of the 5 villages, known for its wide beaches and medieval architecture. Next we have Vernazza. With its colorful houses, small harbor, and narrow streets, it's like a postcard come to life. The sunsets here are particularly breathtaking. Corniglia, perched high above the cliffs, stands apart from the other villages as it's not directly on the sea. To reach it, you'll have to climb 380 steps, but the panoramic views are well worth it. Manarola, one of the oldest villages in Cinque Terre. Its colorful houses stacked along the rocky coastline make it a photographer's dream. And finally, Riomaggiore. With its narrow streets, small boat-filled marina, and lively atmosphere, it's a Mediterranean fairy tale. Cinque Terre isn't just about the villages, it's also about the nature that surrounds them. From mountainous hiking trails to vineyards and crystal-clear waters, every step offers a new breathtaking view. Liguria's famous pesto sauce is the crown jewel of Cinque Terre's cuisine. You'll also find fresh seafood and locally produced white wines that are unique to this region. Cinque Terre is a destination where history, nature, and the soul of Italy come together. If you're looking for an unforgettable escape, make sure to add these charming villages to your travel list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be exploring more of Italy's hidden gems in our next adventures.